Rumors are swirling that DJI is preparing to launch a new compact drone called the DJI Flip at CES 2025. While DJI has yet to officially confirm these reports, information from the U.S. Federal Communications Commission (FCC) suggests that the Flip may already be in its final stages of development. FCC filings show that the product has been certified for sale in the U.S., which is a strong indicator of an impending release. FCC certifications are typically granted to products close to launch, lending credibility to the speculation of a 2025 debut. The DJI Flip is rumored to be a compact portable drone designed with safety and ease of use in mind. Early design sketches reveal the inclusion of propeller guards, a feature that protects both the drone and its surroundings. Propeller guards are especially useful for beginner pilots, as they reduce the risk of damage during collisions or while navigating tight spaces. Unlike the DJI Neo, which offers an FPV experience, the DJI Flip may opt for a more traditional controller setup. Reports indicate that the Flip might not support immersive FPV flying, which could make it less appealing to dedicated FPV enthusiasts. One of the most talked about upgrades for the DJI Flip is its larger 3,110 mAh battery, a significant step up from the smaller battery used in the DJI Neo. This improvement could extend the Flip's flight time to around 20 minutes or more, compared to the Neo's 15 to 18-minute range. Longer flight times are a major advantage for drone users, as they allow for more time to capture cinematic footage, explore larger areas, and reduce the need for frequent recharging. If the Flip lives up to these expectations, it could compete with the DJI Avata 2, which offers a flight time of 23 minutes. The DJI Flip may also bring notable improvements to its camera system, though specific details remain undisclosed. The DJI Neo features a 4K camera with a single-axis gimbal, but the Flip could push these boundaries. Since it is expected to occupy a mid-range position in DJI's lineup, it might introduce a higher resolution sensor, multi-axis stabilization, or enhanced image quality. The DJI Flip could also introduce new features aimed at providing a more customizable flying experience. While the DJI Neo is known for beginner-friendly features like palm-based takeoff, this would allow users to execute more complex flight patterns and cinematic shots, appealing to both hobbyists and semi-professional users. Portability is another factor where the Flip could shine. The DJI Neo is already a lightweight and compact drone that serves as a great travel companion. The Flip is expected to follow a similar design philosophy, though its larger battery might increase its overall weight. The ability to carry a portable, high-performance drone is a major selling point for users who prioritize. Despite the growing excitement around the DJI Flip, many details remain a mystery. Information about its camera specifications, AI features, and price point is still unavailable. The DJI Neo is known as an affordable option for beginners, while the Avata 2 targets high-end FPV enthusiasts. This leaves room for the Flip to position itself as a mid-range contender in DJI's drone lineup. If it offers premium features at a competitive price, it could fill a gap in the market and appeal to a wide range of users. Pricing will play a crucial role in determining its market success, as DJI will need to strike the right balance between affordability and functionality. The DJI Flip has the potential to be a major addition to DJI's drone family. With its blend of portability, extended flight time, and user-friendly features, it could fill a gap between entry-level models like the Neo and high-performance models like the Avata 2. With CES 2025 on the horizon, drone enthusiasts are eagerly awaiting official announcements from DJI. Could the Flip be the right drone for your needs? Or are you waiting for something else in DJI's lineup? Share your thoughts as we discuss the future of drone technology. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is generating immense anticipation as DJI prepares for its next flagship drone release. Known for continuously pushing the limits of drone technology, DJI appears ready to redefine aerial capabilities despite regulatory challenges and market uncertainty. Leaked insider information, FCC filings, and early images have created significant buzz, suggesting that the Mavic 4 Pro could mark a major leap forward in both design and functionality. The appearance of the Mavic 4 Pro in the Federal Communications Commission database indicates that its release may be just weeks away. The filings reveal two distinct models, labeled L3A and L3B, hinting at possible variations in features or configurations. This strategy isn't unprecedented. DJI has previously offered multiple versions of its drones to target different market segments. The introduction of two models could allow the company to cater to both professional filmmakers needing advanced tools and hobbyists seeking a more affordable, streamlined version. One of the most notable revelations is the upgraded power system. Reports point to a 6,654 mAh battery, a significant improvement over the Mavic 3 Pro's 5,000 mAh capacity. This substantial boost in battery power suggests longer flight times and enhanced performance, which is critical for users requiring extended operational periods, such as aerial photographers, videographers, and surveyors. DJI's focus on improving power efficiency also reflects the company's ongoing commitment to delivering practical upgrades that meet the growing demands of its users. Equally exciting is the speculation surrounding the Mavic 4 Pro's camera technology. Leaked images hint at a spherical camera module, a distinct departure from the triple camera setup seen on the Mavic 3 Pro. Although specific details are unclear, this new design could incorporate multi-sensor technology aimed at elevating image quality, stabilization, and scene recognition. It's possible DJI is integrating advanced artificial intelligence (AI) to improve features like automatic shooting modes, subject tracking, and enhanced low-light performance. If realized, these innovations would appeal to professionals seeking top-tier image and video quality, solidifying DJI's dominance in the drone market. For videographers, there is speculation that the Mavic 4 Pro could support 8K video recording at 60 frames per second, alongside 4K oversampling and 10-bit color depth. Combined with improved heat management systems, these capabilities would address critical challenges in high-resolution video production, making the Mavic 4 Pro a game-changing tool for filmmakers. Additionally, AI-driven obstacle avoidance and intelligent flight modes are expected to see significant upgrades, providing users with smoother, more autonomous flight experiences. These improvements would set the Mavic 4 Pro apart from competitors in both consumer and professional drone markets. The timing of the Mavic 4 Pro's rumored launch is particularly significant. The drone industry has seen relatively few groundbreaking releases in recent months, creating an opportunity for DJI to set new industry standards. Despite increasing regulatory scrutiny in regions like the United States, DJI has proven its resilience and adaptability by continuing to innovate and expand its portfolio. The simultaneous leak of the DJI Flip, a foldable drone concept, suggests the company is diversifying its offerings to maintain its market leadership and reach broader audiences. The Mavic 3 Pro, launched just over a year ago, raised the bar with its triple camera system and earned widespread acclaim for its versatility and performance. To justify an upgrade, the Mavic 4 Pro will need to demonstrate significant technological advancements. If the rumored improvements, such as extended battery life, revolutionary camera systems, and smarter automation, prove accurate, the Mavic 4 Pro could surpass its predecessor and set new benchmarks for both aerial imaging and usability. As drone enthusiasts eagerly await an official announcement, the excitement surrounding the Mavic 4 Pro continues to grow. Whether it's through advanced imaging systems, superior battery performance, or next-generation AI, the Mavic 4 Pro is shaping up to be one of DJI's most pivotal releases. With the potential to redefine what's possible in both consumer and professional drones, DJI once again positions itself as the leader in aerial innovation. For now, the drone community waits in anticipation for what could be a landmark moment in DJI's history.